Hello. Good morning. Namaste. Salam. Shastri Akal to all my beautiful lovelies out there. Good morning and welcome back to our meeting place. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's morning and tea has been put on to get the morning started, and I thought I'd share a small little poem with you as the tea is getting ready for us. So here it goes. It says, I don't pay attention to the world ending. It has ended for me many a times and began again in the morning. So it's a new morning. It's a beginning of the week. Today's Monday as I do the voiceover for today's Tuesday video. I will be posting videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. And so this is the editing for Tuesday's video, and Mondays are always beginning to a new week, a new start, and another chance. If we woke up this morning and you are listening to this, to thank God and to start getting things done correctly. So thank you all for taking time joining me. Hopefully you have a cup of tea with you as you watch and spend your time sharing it with me. I truly appreciate it. Today we are going to tackle some organization. I encourage you all to tackle one piece of reorganizing of something or the other every single day. Every day when I start my morning with my cup of tea, I sit down at the dining table with my diary, and I love to write and make lists. So I write things down that need to happen today or during the week. And I'm going to make a video of getting things done, how to stay on top of your game and accomplish the tasks that are in your mind, but you just haven't got around to doing them. So look forward to that video coming up either for this week on Friday or for next week Monday for sure. So this is the utility cart that houses all miscellaneous items outside of my pantry because there's not enough room in there, so everything is just piled on it right now, and my goal today is to get everything out, sort it, and arrange it back again, and throw out anything that doesn't need to be in there. So let's get started. And so as I am emptying out the contents of this cart, I want to encourage all of you to do the same thing. Take one drawer, one cabinet, probably a utility cart like this if you have it in your house. Go through the contents and reorganize it. It takes no more than maximum 10 to 15 minutes. Set your timer for 15 minutes. Empty everything out. Sort it. Put all the light things together. Put it back. Believe me, the sense of accomplishment and the reorganized cabinet or drawer or the cart makes such a big difference to boost our enthusiasm, and you will want to tackle more things like this. So while we are tackling the process of cleaning up, किया है, कीमत तो दिल की होती है जनाब, कीमत तो दिल की होती है जनाब, वरना चेहरे तो कुत्तों के भी क्यूट हुआ करते हैं. Now that everything is taken out, it's all set up on the counter, and see, it's just so much stuff, all hodgepodge. So I'm going to organize and put all the light things together, like all the pastas together, cake mixes, baking things all together, and put it all back in. So while the process of cleaning, reorganizing is happening, here are a few tidbits about me. My name is Sangeeta, as you all know, thus the name of the channel, Sangeeta's Sweet Life. I live in North America in the Midwest region, originally from Mumbai. I love Hindi movies, anything and everything Bollywood. Love to write and listen to audiobooks. I love energy healing. I am a Reiki practitioner and into all things energy. And so finally, everything has been put back in. All the baking stuff is on the top, miscellaneous stuff in the middle, and all the pastas and sauces are at the bottom. And it all looks good, and I'm happy. And as we finish up the reorganizing, I am going to share a very, very healthy, nutritious, protein filled snack recipe: sauteed edamame beans with seasoning. It is one of the best snacks that you will eat. These are the shelled edamame beans. I get them from Trader Joe's, but those are available in various different grocery stores. You can find them almost anywhere nowadays with all the health food awareness. So they are actually fully cooked, so they don't need any cooking, but I like to saute them in a very little bit of oil. I usually add garlic, but today I forgot to add garlic crushed, fresh garlic in it, and I let it all cook straight out of the freezer. And now for the seasonings: mango habanero seasoning. This is from Walmart, their local brand, great value. A touch of it, it's not spicy at all. It says habanero, but it's not spicy. I don't understand it. And then the second thing that I added in there was lemon pepper seasoning. Uh, Again, probably from Walmart. Sorry, the camera went out of focus here, but basically add the seasoning and let it cook on a high temperature, because you want to kind of char broil them. And I will show you a close up pretty quickly. And the key is to keep stirring it, because I am cooking it at full flame and they will burn easily. So the key is to keep stirring it, but making sure that the beans are catching the color at the bottom from the high heat and getting char broiled, the brown spots like that. That's what you're looking for. So keep the flame on high and continuously keep stirring until all the brown spots appear and they get to the point where you like them. The seasonings make these edamame beans very flavorful. These are a very easy snack to be prepared ahead of time. It is tasty, warm, room temperature, or even cold. So it can be a very good snack for packing in lunch boxes, for kids, or for working adults, or for colleges, universities, in any way. So to give it a try, easy, quick snack can be made and can be consumed for few days at a time. And since it is a completely dry snack, it is very easily portable and travels well, stays well, no refrigeration is needed. Please give it a try and let me know how you like it. Hope you liked those beautiful flowers. And here is a batch of dosa batter that I made and fermented, because the weather is so nice and warm, 4 cups rice or 4 measures of rice, 1 measure of urad dal. Soak it overnight, grind it to a very fine paste, leave it in a warm place. I left it on the deck in the sun, and the fermentation is perfect, as you can see. Mainly I did this for freezing purposes, so emergency dosa batter is ready. Thank you today for joining me, giving me your time, and subscribing. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care.